Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out our channel, where it's our goal to create a community of informed traders and investors by sharing technical analysis and collaborating together to ace the charts. We look forward to working with you, so let's get started. Looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, and the bears are in full control as they've been making lower lows and lower highs. Our last weekly lower low is here at 3128.89, and then we have a lower high at 42.39.37 on Coinbase Pro. In order for the bulls to change the weekly trend, they will need to set a higher low and then break to a higher high. So this is the range that we'll be watching on the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the daily time frame now. Bears are in control of the daily time frame as well. Our last lower high is here at 37.65.90 and then a lower low at 34.25. So this is the range. Notice that we have our second daily inside bar to watch, and the bulls are having trouble breaking over this 12-period EMA. We will continue to watch this daily inside bar here for a break throughout the night to see if we get more clarity. Let's take a look now at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see the tightening range developing. Our resistance is at 35.95.83 with a lower high, and we are pulling back to form a potential higher low somewhere above 35.23.65. We also have a higher low support level here at 35.30.10. So that's the range I'll be watching throughout the night and into tomorrow. Let's take a look at Ethereum now. Ethereum on the weekly chart, the bears are in full control with our last weekly lower low at 80.60 and our lower high here at 160.62. The bulls have been struggling with breaking over the 12-period EMA, and this time is no different. In order to change the weekly trend, the bulls will need to set a higher low and then break to a higher high. The bears will want to break the support level of 80.60. So we will be watching this range on the weekly time frame to see what plays out. Also keep in mind that we could get a tightening equilibrium pattern with a higher low, lower high tightening range. Let's take a look now at the daily chart. Ethereum on the daily chart, you can see lower high pattern very clearly. You can also see several rejections from the 12-period EMA. I'm looking at a resistance level of 119.50 and support of 110.37. So this is the range that we're watching on the daily chart. Let's take a look now at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see our support level here at 113.62 that we drew, and resistance currently is 117.11. So that's the range, and the bulls will need to turn around the trend here on the 4-hour chart. Now let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin on the weekly time frame, the bears are in full control. However, this has been the most bullish of the three. You can see that we had a lower high here at 36 and then fell to a lower low at 22.17 and then broke straight to a higher high at 41.27. So we've had more bullish action here on Litecoin. However, we're still rejecting from the 12-period EMA. In order to change the trend on the weekly time frame, the bulls will need to pull back, form a higher low, and then break to a higher high. Let's take a look now at the daily chart. On the daily chart, the clear range to watch is the resistance level of 33.15 and support of 29.41. You can see several times the bulls have been rejected from this resistance, so they'll need to set a higher low and then break to a higher high. The bulls are closing in to a bullish cross of the 12 and 26-period EMA, and they would like to maintain that as support. Let's take a look now at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see our resistance level at 33.15 and support higher low at 32.33. Notice that the bulls have a bullish cross of the 12 and 26-period exponential moving averages, and they will want to maintain that as support as well. So this is the range I'm watching on the 4-hour chart throughout the night. Thanks everyone for checking out our channel. If you find these videos helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can continue to create more free content. Also, If you are interested in helping us build a community to collaborate together, click the link in the description of this video to sign up. It's free to join, so do it today and let's work together to ace the charts.